Hello and welcome, I am Katie, and in today's video you get to learn how to crochet a tree ornament. For this project I am using a 3mm crochet hook and Alize Baby Best yarn. You can start by chaining 101 stitches, or you can chain like I do in this video, a double chain. Double chain means that you are chaining two yarns at once. Leave aside like 180 centimeters of your yarn, and after that make your starting knot. Insert the starting knot on your hook and loop over the second thread, and with that you can start making the chain. You make the normal chain as you do it every time, and then you loop over the other thread, the other part of the yarn, and then you go through both. So you have one chain on your hook, then you yarn over the second thread, and then you go through both. It's a very simple way to make a double chain, and I love to start my work with double chain because that way I won't have loops in my beginning base in the chain that I'm making. Because it takes a lot of time, I'm forwarding this video to the end of the 100 double chain. So if you have your 100 double chain stitches or the 101 normal chain stitches, you get to start the second and final round. If you decided that you will make a double chain like me in this video, then you will pull and make the loop on your hook bigger. You will yarn over this extra loop that you make, this extra yarn that you have on the hook, like I am doing it in this video, and then you will insert the hook in the first V that the double chain has. There will be two V's. You decide on in which V you want to insert your hook and make half double crochet until the end of the work. That means by the end of the work you will have 100 half double crochet. When you have made the 101 chain, you will chain one, then skip the first two, and in the third chain from the hook you will make your first half double crochet. By the end you will have 100 half double crochets. Now I am showing you exactly how to assemble it. You start by making a tree form, and in between you will put beads. And in this case I use the ribbon, but you can use another thread. If you continue to watch this video, you will see exactly how to insert the beads and how to use the ribbon as a thread. So enjoy making your tree ornaments, and please subscribe for more videos like this one. Now I am cutting the ribbon. The ribbon has like 1 meter long, and I am burning the edges so that it won't fall apart, it won't frog. And then I am inserting in a tapestry needle. I used this one, and then I used plastic one, but in the end I used another one because I couldn't get through. So I would recommend to use the needle and the yarn that will go through your beads your 2 times. For this tree I used the wooden beads, and you can use whatever beads you consider you like. And as I told you, you will have to find a tapestry needle that goes through your beads and that goes through or can go to your beads 2 times, because now we are going up and then I am coming down once more with the ribbon. I am making a knot so that I can make the hanger, and after that I am inserting the ribbon through everything once more to come out from where I have begun. Now I am making the closing knot, and I'm cutting the ribbon, burning the edges so it won't frog, and this is it. Enjoy, subscribe for more videos like this one, and give a thumbs up or a comment to tell me your Christmas ornament tree ideas.